guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Heather. Today we are going to be tackling this messy living room. So I'm going to be doing some cleaning for you guys and just a little bit straightening up around here. To help us out, my good friends over at the AIRSEE company sent us this portable handheld vacuum. It is cordless, you just charge it and you go. So that is going to be really exciting. I'm going to unbox this for you first, show you how it works, and then we're going to start cleaning up this messy living room. I'm going to be using this on the couch because we do have a dog, and so I'm hoping that that will kind of like brighten and clean up all of the, we don't get a lot of dog hair, but potentially some dog hair. And then I'm going to have my husband use it out in the car where we absolutely have a ton of dog hair. So I can't wait to see how much this works and tries to get some of that dog hair out of the car. We had a dog hammock for the back seat, but it got ruined, and so now brand new car, dog hair. I know you feel my pain. So we're gonna check this out, see if it works today for what we need it to. We're gonna take a look at it together for the first time. I am so excited. I will have the link to this below in the description box for you to grab one of your very own. I'm gonna tell you right now, just holding this box, it's got a little weight to it, but it's very lightweight at the same time, if that makes any sense. Now I do know that this is wet and dry use, and that is great for us because we spill a lot. So first thing I am pulling out, I'm gonna sit this down. The first thing I am pulling out is actually the handle part of the vacuum. So you can see here the vacuum part of the attachment. The next part I'm pulling out is the end of the vacuum, and I love how this is packaged. Like every single piece is in bubble wrap. So here is the little top part of it, and there is the little notch here, and you just line it up and it just snaps together. Just that easy. So that's it. That is like the bulk of this. Now it does come with a filter inside already, and I saw in the bag that there is another filter here for you. So that is a major plus. Another wonderful thing about this vacuum, like I said, you can plug it in and charge it and use it. So it does come with this USB cord, and it comes with the charger plug. So you just plug it in and let it charge, which we will do here in just a minute. So to plug it in, you just go to the right side of the handle and slip it on in. That is it. Just plug it into the wall, charge it up, and you're ready to go. No cords to drag around the house or to wind up. You're good to go. There are a few attachments I'm excited to share with you. First of all, we have this nozzle to get around like your baseboards or in between couch cushions. It's got a really nice shape to it here. That is really cool. And then you have this attachment hose. So it does have some pretty good length to it. Let me try to get it straightened out. There we go. So it does have quite a bit of length to it. So it can get in like maybe behind the couch or under the couch. Anywhere that you need extension. And then we also have this little brush attachment, which I think this is going to come in super, super handy. While we're waiting on that to charge, I just wanted to say thank you to the AIRSEE company for sponsoring today's video. This product was sent to me for reviewing purposes, but like I said before, I will have the link for you below if you want to pick up one of these for your very own. This is so lightweight to use, and it does have a good amount of suction. It does have 2 speeds, high and low, which I really, really do appreciate. And for what little bit was on the couch, it is completely clean at this point.
stuff in there.
Yeah. I mean, also if it was loose dog hair, like fuzzy dog hair and under fur, I think it would come up a little better. I feel like
I mean, for power and stuff, it's got power and it's lightweight and it's easy to use. I mean, that's a plus for me because I don't like dragging out cords and
right.
all that. But I mean, if you take the time to do it, where you're not in a hurry and all that, I mean, you can see it's from what it was.
Yeah, like I said, I think
it just takes time. So
because that type of hair kind of sticks into fabric, it's harder to get off no matter what you use. I feel like so.
I mean, it's got stuff, dog hair in there. I mean, you can see it when the sunlight hits in the thing there. I mean, it's full.
Yeah. And wonderful thing about that is too, like that filter is washable. It's a HEPA filter, so that's a plus for me.
I'd probably give it a 4 because I mean it's doing the job, but it's just you gotta be patient, which that's the only downfall. I mean, you gotta take your time because it's not gonna be picking it up like crazy, but it does work. I'd give it a 4 out of 5.
All right.
Just because I was skeptic at the beginning, because I mean it's like a house, whatever, you know.
Right. Like I don't think it was meant for a car.
But it works for a car.
Right. So. And I will mention that it does take 4 to 4.5 hours to charge initially, which is why it's kind of next day that we're out here. But I feel like I feel like it did a really good job. Like the couch looks clean.
I still think 4 out of 5, and I'd keep using it.
And I think, like, one of the things, too, I think I filmed yesterday, was that sometimes we vacuum and then we have popcorn and Michaela spills popcorn on the floor. Like, that's going to be so nice, like, right before bed, instead of dragging out the vacuum, which is not a big deal either. But this is going to be so convenient to say, hey, okay, I'm just going to clean this up, whatever we can't pick up with our hands, instead of dragging out the vacuum right before bed. So, I feel like that's going to be an amazing plus.
I still like it. Just because you don't have to worry about plugging stuff in and draining the battery of the car, and you don't have to have cords and all that. So
yeah,
you might not get this back.
I think it's going to work out great for pretty much everything that we need. And again, thank you so much to the AIRSEE company for sponsoring this video and for sending this vacuum to us. I know we're going to get so much use out of it, and I will be having that linked below, like I'd said earlier, for you guys to check out. So he's going to finish cleaning and I'm going to work on the inside. So let's go in.